Welcome to the Northwest Voyageurs Canoe and Kayak Club. We look forward to paddling with you and getting to know you and helping you have a wonderful and safe experience on the water. To become a member of the Northwest Voyageurs, you need to go to our website and download our membership form. It is fillable on the internet. And then you can write us a check and mail it to the post office box as listed on the membership form. The fees are $40 for a single person and $60 for a family, which is defined as those who live under the same roof. And if you don't do checks, you can just bring your membership form and cash or something, money, well, a check, I guess, to your first event that you go to and hand it over to whoever is coordinating. Most club members actually own their own equipment, but if you do not own your own equipment, we have a fleet of boats that you can rent from. If you look on our website, you will find an email address for our equipment manager. You will meet him at our boat storage location, which is right in the middle of the city at Buena Vista Park. And he would help you choose a boat and paddles and PFDs and throw bags. We come with all the safety equipment. You do need a way to transport the boat. You can then go on the trip, and then you would arrange to meet Reg or I back here at the boat storage site and return the equipment after the trip. Now, having said that, you can rent for a trip or for the season. Legally, in each boat you need the safety equipment, which includes a PFD, which is to be worn by each and every person in the boat, a whistle, a bailer, or a bilge pump. You need 15 meters of floating rope, and you need a spare paddle plus the paddles for every person in the boat. However, if you don't want to purchase right away, the club rents all of that with our fleet of canoes and kayaks. If you want to camp or go on a longer trip, you're going to need a good quality canoe or kayak. No pelicans, no inflatable boats. You will need your camping gear. You will need a way to prep food, including a stove, as many places ban fires. And you would need, just the sleeping bag, the stuff to keep you warm. But you need space for that then in your boat, and you need a way to keep it all dry. If you want to go on day trips, the club offers many day trips. You might be okay with a recreational kayak or an inflatable kayak, but you need to check that with the trip coordinator before you show up. Any trip you go on, though, talk to everybody. Find out what they have. And many of us in the city, we've purchased our boats from Boatcraft, Aquabatics, MEC, or Totem, and all of those people also are good sources of advice. We have pool sessions, mostly in the spring. Pool sessions are an awesome time to come and practice wet exits, falling out of a kayak, particularly with a skirt on, but falling out of a canoe and getting back in. If we offer more formal lessons, they would be listed on our website via social media, or sometimes we advertise them through email. We offer paddles every Wednesday through the summer. About half of them are on a local lake or the river, and the other half are at Rundle Ponds. Rundle Ponds is a city-owned facility. The boats are there with the life jackets and the paddles, so you do not need to bring your own equipment to the Rundle Ponds on a Wednesday. We offer some evening trips on the North Saskatchewan River or out to a Stoughton Lake, Telford Lake, Big Lake in St. Albert. We offer day trips, usually on the weekend, the North Saskatchewan River outside the city, Coal Lake, Battle Lake, Stoughton Lake, Wabamun Lake, and Lac St. Anne are all lakes we have frequented. We do some weekend trips. Sometimes they're car camping, sometimes they're wilderness camping. We've done the Athabasca River, Chip Lake, and quite a few sections of the Red Deer River. We've done some longer trips with car camping, camping out of our boat the Bowron Lakes, Myrtle Lake in BC, the Stikine River in northern BC, and Jasper on the Athabasca River. We do offer social events. We have an open house in May. We have a summer barbecue in June, often one in September. And it's just the camaraderie of lots of different people to talk about where to paddle. We do have a rating system for our trips, each one of them that is posted on our website, but your best bet would be to phone the trip coordinator and ask. if you have found a trip on our website that you are interested in attending, there is a trip coordinator listed with that, a name or an email, or a phone number and an email. Please contact them. They will probably get in touch with you and ask some questions about the type of paddling experience you have in your boat. Don't be offended, they're just trying to keep everybody safe. Most trip coordinators for a weekend trip would appreciate hearing from you at least by the Wednesday so that they can make good plans. And often trips appear on our Northwest Voyageurs Facebook page. Those trips are not necessarily, well, often not sanctioned by the club itself. A club sanctioned trip will be listed on our website, and the difference is that the club sanctioned trips are covered under the Paddle Alberta insurance umbrella. Well, the most beneficial thing I think would be just the experience of the other paddlers. You can learn so much from other people as you're paddling along, in terms of reading the weather, in terms of navigation, in terms of which equipment to bring or what they have that you might desire, paddling technique, the different safety rules. So the experience of other club members is a wonderful thing to access. You will meet lots of different people who are interested in paddling, and they have knowledge of the different paddling areas, both near and far from Edmonton. It's a wonderful thing to learn from. You have access to the boats that we rent. You have insurance. You're covered by the Paddle Alberta insurance umbrella if you are on a sanctioned trip. And there is a 10% discount for not everything, but quite a few things at Campers Village for paid members. Oh.
Yeah, woo! Hey! Please share that video.